Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Prolong Power Supplement Review, whether it's a scam or legit. So first of all, we will talk about the positive things. So you can see I've searched for it Google and I got it the Amazon first link. And let's try to find this website, right? So as you can see here, I'm not able to find the exactly website of this product. I guess this is available in only this is just a product, right? So it's a prolonged powder contains natural ingredients like honey goat weed, tomcat ali, and saw palmetto that are known to boost testosterone levels and improve sexual performance. The supplement is manufactured in facility that addresses to good manufacturing practices. That's nice. Some user report noticeable improvement like libido, stamina, and overall vitality within a few weeks of consistent use. Right, so this is just a positive aspect. Now let's talk about the concerns. Prolong powder is not directly approved by the FDA, right? So this is a really a big question that why it is not approved by FDA, as the agent does not evaluate dietary supplements in the same way as prescription medicines. There's a limited genuine user review on major platforms such as Amazon and the Better Business Bureau. So if I just go and check for some of the reviews, let me show you on the screen here. This is literally just one rating. That's really bad, right? Let's talk about the another. No review, nothing is available here. So as you can see here, while Prolonged powder appears to be a legitimate product with natural ingredients and some positive user feedback, the lack of FDA approval, limited reviews, and questionable marketing tactics raises concerns about its reliability. Potential buyers should be careful, consider these factors, and consult with a healthcare provider before making a purchase. It's also recommended to purchase from the official website or reputable retailers to ensure the authenticity of the product. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.